basic connections for a Spitfire controller. Good practice is to start with your non-electrical connections. So we're going to start with the motor. Reading from left to right, the motor will be connected to W, V and U. Motor is also labeled in that order. The color order is black, blue, brown. After connecting the motor, we can connect the peripherals like the dry run protection sensor, and that's just connected to COM and well. Next, we can connect our power supply from the panels. It is always good to ensure that there's no power coming through from the panels, to ensure that there's no damage caused to the board. And it's also good practice to always start with your negative lead and then your positive lead. Once all your connections are done, you can close the enclosure and give it power.